Okay, everybody, I haven't recorded in a while because I've been hoarse. I've lost my voice, but it's kind of back. So anyway, we're on page 564, and here's where the deal. We've got two different cities, Chicago and Ohio, Columbus, Ohio. Chicago's population at 2.7 million is starting to decrease at a rate of 0.04%, but as a decimal, that's 0.0004, because we move the decimal over two places. Columbus, Ohio starts the population 880,000, and its population is growing at a rate of 0.14%. But again, to change that into a decimal, move the decimal two places, so we get 0.0014. Now, since Chicago's decreasing, we're going to go 1 minus our 0.0014. And since Ohio is increasing, it's 1 plus 0.0014, okay? So we put them both in the same form. Here we go. Here's their equations, right? And it's really difficult to graph this because the numbers are so big. But I did try and slowly go from 2.7 down. That's decay. And for Ohio, I tried to start at 880 and try and go up. So the graphs are there. Slight decrease, slight increase, because the growth rate is so small, okay? I used a couple of points to help myself graph those, and I got a general idea, okay? If I want to rewrite these in this particular form, see, the b is a single number. So all I'm going to do is change my 1 minus 0.004, and I just subtracted that. Just what is 1 minus that? Well, it's a 0.996. Okay, that's my b. The same thing with Chicago. What is 1 plus 0.0014? Well, it's 1.0014. So I've got it as a single number, not two different numbers, but as a single number b. So, okay, we know that b is decreasing. So b is less than 0. It decreases, so there's Chicago. b is less than 1, less than 1. And if b is greater than 1, it's increasing. So there, b, if it's greater than 1, it's increasing. So that's growth, and that's decay. All right. So then we turn the page, and we know that Chicago's beginning amount was 2,700,000. Columbus, Ohio's was 880,000 beginning amount. We know in our formulas that A, whatever number is here, is our beginning amount. So for Chicago, that'd be 2.7 million for over here, and for Ohio, it'd be 880,000. Okay, so then the B is the growth rate. You can write it as plus or B as long as B is greater than 1, or minus if it's decay, or like this as long as B is less than 1. Okay, and that's what we did today. That's all I had for you, as well as the homework, which was the page 569 and 570. Okay, that's all I got.